Hello everyone, welcome back to my YouTube channel. In this video, I'm going to talk about the use of do, does and did. But before I explain the use of do, does and did, I would like to tell you what do, does and did are. Do, does and did are the auxiliary verbs that are used to make a negative and interrogative sentences in simple present tense and simple past tense. Do and does are the auxiliary verb that is used in active sentence in simple present tense, while did is the auxiliary verb that is used in active sentence in simple past tense. If you are interested with this video, please stay tuned until the end of the video. Now, let's move to the explanation. As I said before, do, does, and did are used in negative and interrogative sentences. And you can read the example of negative and interrogative. I don't, you don't, he doesn't, she doesn't, it doesn't, we don't, you don't, they don't. Can you find the differences between do and does? Okay, I will explain more detail to you. Do is the auxiliary verb that is used when the subject is not third person singular. What is not third person singular? The example of the subject of not third person singular are I, you, we, and they. And how about does? Does is used when the subject are third person singular. For example, he, she, and it. Okay. As well as the negative, interrogative also use do and does. But to make interrogative sentence, the auxiliary is the first on the sentence. For example, do I, do you, does he, does she, does it, do we, do you, do they, and others. So it starts with do or does and then followed by the subject. Okay, and then the next auxiliary verb is did. The auxiliary verb did is used for all subjects. I'll give you the example of positive form first. I work, and then the negative form is I didn't work. You just have to put not after the auxiliary verb. This is the example. I did not work. So the word not is after did. And then to make question form or interrogative sentence, you can put did in front of the sentence. For example, did I work? Did I work? Okay, the other example, you work. The positive form is you work. And the negative, you didn't work. Or it can be said like you did not work. And the question form, did you work? Did you work? Okay, the other example you can read on this video. Okay, finish reading? And then we move to the exercise to make you are sure that you are already understand the use of do, does, and did. There are 10 questions here, and complete the sentence with do, does, and did according to the brackets. Okay, the first one is present tense. This sentence is using present tense. So, which one will you choose? Do, does, or did? As what I said before, do and does are used in active sentence in simple present tense. So, you cannot choose did because did is used in a past tense. So how can you choose do or does? By looking at the subject. What is the subject? Okay, the subject is you. So you is not third person singular? Or yes? Okay, not third person singular. What you have to choose, do or does? Okay, do, good. And then the second one, what hours blah 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 she works on Monday. It is present tense. And the subject is she. Okay, does, good. And then the next, what blah 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 she eats for breakfast. It is present tense. And then use do or does. Of course, does. And the fourth one, when blah 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 you usually get home. There is no caption here, but you can look. There is a word usually, and then the word usually here denote that the sentence is a present tense. So which one do you choose? Do or does? Okay, before the sub because of the subject is you, so we have to choose do. And next, the next question, how blah 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 prisoners pass the whole day in prison? It is present tense and then do or does. Of course do, because prisoners is not third person singular. And the sixth question, blah 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 he came, blah 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 he come in with anyone else. I'm sorry, the intonation is wrong. Did he come? Oh my god, I said the answer. Blah 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 he come in with anyone else. It is past tense. So the use of the auxiliary verb is of course did. And then the seven, it is past tense. Of course, the auxiliary verb that is used is did. And then number 8, what exactly blah 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 you know? It is present tense. So which one do you choose, do or does? Because the subject is you, so we choose do. And then the ninth one, how blah 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 you practice your English? It is present tense. Do or does? Okay, because the subject is you, so it is used do as a auxiliary verb. And the last question is, I blah 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 not read it all. It is past tense. Of course, the answer is did. Okay. We have finished for all of the explanation and the exercise. I would like to say thank you for all of you who watched this video. I hope you gained some information about the use of do, does, and did, and see you on the next video. Have a nice day.